Hello everyone, I'm Reine Halaby, a tech girl from Lebanon, and today's topic is about writing a hypothesis. First of all, what is a hypothesis? By definition, a hypothesis is an explanation for a phenomena that has been suggested. The scientific process demands that a hypothesis be tested before it can be considered a scientific hypothesis. Scientific hypotheses are usually based on prior findings that cannot be fully explained by existing scientific theories. What are some steps to write a hypothesis? The first step in a scientific research is to make a discovery and formulate a research topic. What do you wish to put to the test? What variable are you going to alter? For example, would getting more sleep help a student get a better mark on a test? It needs to be precise and testable. The next step is to do some background research to see if someone else has already answered your question. It is also important to understand the field of study. A hypothesis is a statement declaring what you think the results of an experiment will be. Having a strong hypothesis is important because it creates a focus for your research. Test with an experiment. Depending on what someone is investigating, the experiments they do to test their theory might differ greatly. Experiments, on the other hand, should be designed to evaluate only one element at a time. The thing you're going to modify in the experiment is called an independent variable. The result you're going to measure is referred to as a dependent variable. Analyze the data. After all of the data has been collected, it must be evaluated to see if the hypothesis is supported or rejected. It is vital to examine your data and hypothesis closely. It's fine if your theory is incorrect. In fact, being incorrect may frequently provide you with additional information and lead to more intriguing outcomes. Report conclusions. Sharing your findings is the final stage in every research effort. This is significant since your findings contribute to the field in which you are working. Peer review is the practice of having other experts in the subject go at your work to determine if it was done correctly and ethically. How do you write a hypothesis? The first part of writing a hypothesis is deciding what would you like to research and coming up with a research question. This can take a variety of forms and can start with what, why, how, etc. This is your opportunity to take a look at your specific team project and think about what you would like to investigate. What is the item or body or protein are we looking into? Why do we want to investigate it? And how do we hope to learn? How might each of the project variables give us new information? Does this bring us closer to understanding our big picture goal for the project? These are all questions to consider when thinking about your research question. A hypothesis can be derived from a research topic. Hypotheses provide you the chance to express yourself and decide what you think will happen in your experiments. If this independent variable is altered, then this dependent variable will change, is a common formula for hypotheses. While research questions tend to be vague, hypotheses are specific and measurable. You should write your hypothesis in a way that an experiment or sets of experiments will be able to either confirm or reject your hypothesis. Your hypothesis will be significantly influenced by the variable you choose for your project and the changes you make within it. Your hypothesis should be detailed and include important information that will be tested in your experiment. The more precise and thorough your theory is, the more detailed your forecast and explanation may be. The references that we used are from the Tech Girls program, Virginia Tech University courses, EMMI, and this is only available for EMMI girls in the Tech Girls program. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.